Hello, this is Ernest with Zero Time Trucks in Crystal City. So today we're on a road call, and I'm here with Jacob. And what we have is a 07 Peterbilt C7 Caterpillar. It's running rough, it's missing. And I'll be honest with you, we looked at it earlier, but the problem was that, you know, he had it off, and then when we looked at it, I guess because it cooled down, we didn't have a problem. So now he's back, and so now we're looking at it. So I want to show you, we took some captures of the injectors, and we'll show you that we're missing the ground. So our injector driver is not working on cylinder 4, okay? So let me show you some of that stuff right now. So this is a C15. So we are at, I'm Pierce Probe, and because I want a secure connection for this. So I got the amp clamp to the supply circuit for 3 and 4, and then I'm Pierce Probe to signal return for injector number 4. So let me show you what the waveform looks like. Let me get it started. So this is injector number 4. This is our signal return. The injector is ground controlled, so the ECM is what commands it to come on. As you can see, we have nothing, and I'm Pierce Probe to get a solid connection. So, but we have nothing here. Okay, so let me show you what a good one looks like. So this is injector number 1. Let me show you what I got. All right, that's injector number 1. Amp clamp to supply, injector supply, and then we're Pierce Probe to the injector signal return. So let me put a trigger on it. All right, so this is what it should look like. This is what we should see. And you see on the other one, we're not getting any signals, right? So let me put it back on number 4 and do some wiggle wires and all that good stuff. I did check it at the ECM. We're not getting it. It's coming straight from the ECM. All right, there you go. So he's going to need an ECM. Mr. Jacob, where are you from?
I'm from Garden City.
Garden City. So unfortunately, he ain't from around here. So and today's what, Saturday afternoon. We ain't got no ECM. But you know, he's going to be all right to get it back. It's just going to be running rough. If I saw an injector that was sticking open, fueling, I'd tell him not to drive it. We're going to burn up a cylinder. But as long as he takes it easy and gets it back, it's faster and cheaper if he gets it back home and gets that ECM. So what I want to do is get him out of here because he's tired of talking to me, and you know, hope he has a safe ride home.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, well, you take care of yourself. I appreciate you. Let me get this thing unhooked so you can get out of here.